Hey guys, I hope you're doing well today. We are going to calculate the average atomic mass of an isotope today. So to start off, why is the atomic mass on the periodic table not a whole number? This is because atoms of the same element always have the same number of protons, which is the atomic number. The number of neutrons may vary. Remember, atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons are called isotopes. The atomic mass is an experimental number determined from all of the naturally occurring isotopes of an element. The unit is AMU, or atomic mass units, and it's lowercase. When we calculate the average atomic mass, we must consider each isotope and its relative abundance in percent. Then we calculate the weighted average to find the average atomic mass. First, we would convert the percentages to decimals. So if you have 10%, then that would be 0.01 because you move your decimal over 2 times or you divide it by 100. Then you multiply the decimal by the mass, and then you add all the numbers. So let's do an example. We have chlorine, which exists naturally as 75% chlorine 35 and 25% chlorine 37. What is the average atomic mass? Let's start out by taking 75% and converting that to 0.75. Same thing with 25%. That's 0.25. Step 2, we're going to take those numbers, multiply by the mass, 0.75 times 35 and 0.25 times 37. This one will equal 26.25, and this one equals 9.25. And then we add those together to get 35.5 AMU. Don't forget to label your units. I don't know what just 35.5 is. All right, next example, we have copper 63 has an abundancy of 65%, copper 64 of 5%, and copper 65 of 30%. Calculate the average atomic mass. So step 1, we're going to take 65%, and that equals 0.65. We're going to take 5%, which equals 0.05, and 30%, which equals 0.30. So we're going to take our decimals and multiply them by our weights. So that's 65 times 63. 0.05 times 64, and 0.3 times 65. And now these equal 40.95. This one equals 3.2, and this one equals 19.50. So then you add all of these up to get 63.65 AMU. Look at that pretty copper ore. And that's it for today.